30 million, Sean 20. Wow, that's a nice run.
For a guy who, you say, bottomed out?
Hell,
Came back?
I mean, I wouldn't say bottom out, but a lot of people, the pot people, defend him because they think that he was targeted from the feds.
Shoulder blades and knocked me sprawling. The icy floor rushed up to meet my face, and my faceplate starved. Fortunately, spacer equipment is built to be tough. It had to be, or people die. Scrambling up, I felt the creature's weight on my back. If the gravity had been normal, it would have been hard to carry, but under the light tug of this
Son of a...
J'avais chaud, en plus je pompais, là, j'essayais de me calmer puis j'arrivais pas tellement que j'étais en...
Calice de tabarnak! Calice! Sérieux? Tabarnak, d'hostie de marde, d'hostie.
Il t'a foncé dans le cul?
Ah non, c'est moi qui est rentré dedans. Calice de crise, d'hostie de marde.
Comme toi.
Calice d'hostie.
damn son.
I know he's scared.
States, and then a lot of these states, like New York, Cuomo had people standing on the street for hours in line in chilly December and January trying to get a vaccine, and then they'd say, oh, we haven't got, we can't do anymore, we're going home for the night. They basically botched the vaccine rollout in
Of course, the worst crayon color ever. Hey, who's got the crap old over here? Try to draw a tree trunk. I need you.
Chains on me, don't make no sense. Do street living, load it up.
Y como remate final, el general cartaginés había formado dos pequeños grupos de elefantes, los supervivientes del tránsito de los Alpes, junto con las alas de la caballería. El general africano observaba el campo de batalla desde un altozano. Todo está dispuesto, dijo, y Baal está con nosotros. En el frío de la mañana, su voz sonó cálida, llena de fuego.
Puerco. Uy, fuera mi hijo. Pinche pendejo estúpido. ¿Qué le pasa? No sé, mi hijo estar contigo.
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.